I am taking this x value here and plugging it into this equation. So I have y equals 4/3 x minus 2. But now watch what I'm doing. Instead of x, because this is my x value, I'm plugging in -3. Okay, so I plugged in. Now what am I doing? I'm doing this multiplication right here, so I'm going to do it over here. This is 4/3 times -3. Okay, I'm going to make that into a fraction, -3/1. This becomes -12/3, right? This is 4 times -3, 3 times 1. Okay, negative divided by positive is negative, 12 divided by 3 is 4. So this multiplication, I just did it over here, and it becomes -4. And I'm going to bring down -2. So this is -4 minus 2. There's 4 holes in my boat. There's 2 more holes in my boat. That's a total of 6 holes in my boat. That's -6. And so that gives me this point, right? This is my x value is -3, and my y value is -6. So that's -3, -6. That's my first point. What about when I plug in 0? Plugging in 0 is easier, okay? And hopefully you're going to notice a pattern here, right? Because look, 4/3 times 0, I don't need to do the math over here. Anything times 0 is 0, and 0 minus 2 is -2, okay? This makes sense because look at your equation. This is y equals mx plus b. So we knew this equation was going to hit the y-axis at -2. So we knew as soon as we made x 0 that it was going to hit the y-axis at -2. So that's our next point. And then finally, let's plug in 6. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do 4/3 times 6/1. 4 times 6 is 24. 3 times 1 is 3. And 24 divided by 3 is 8. Okay, so this is, and don't forget to bring it back here because you're not done, right? I'm not putting 8 right here because that's this multiplication that I just did. That's 8. And I still need to take away 2. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So this is the point x is 6. And y also happens to be the same, 6. And it goes here. And you should be able to tell if your work is good if it falls on a nice straight line like this, which it does. My 3 points land on a straight line. Oh, sorry. There it is. Okay, this is my first point, -3, -6, 0, -2, and 6, 6 is right here.